Watch out. Ready? No, hold on. No fighting. Okay.
He's ready to dive.
Ready, set, go.
Hurry.
Faster.
Take off your flip-flops, bud.
No, take your flip-flops off and just go barefoot. Who taught you guys how to egg hunt?
Oh, it's coming out.
You're not putting it.
Scoop it up.
You're not
Don't
putting
worry
it in,
about your
bud.
shoes. Don't worry about your shoes.
I put these kids to shame when I didn't eat
would
egg
have had no
hunts.
eggs if there'd been other kids here. You'd be standing by the first one.
We attempted to count, but that didn't work. We all lost count.
Hey, wait, where are you going? Where are you going? Hey, give me your back
Or
here.
shit, mother, no helping.
No kibitzing.
No coaching. They canceled a huge egg hunt like Connecticut.
Oh, that's a cute
That's
one.
He's like, oh goodness.
There's eggs here you guys haven't even picked up yet.
Don't worry, they missed the fence. They'll get back.
This should keep busy for a while.
There's like 100 eggs out here.
Yeah.
Good lord.
150.
Did you give them 2 bags?
I did 46. How many did you do? 50 something. Yeah, there's almost 100. Well, tell us how much you made.
You gotta pick up weeds when you're picking up the eggs. No.
Well, that's what we should have done.
Whoever gets the most eggs, weeds gets eggs.
Oh,
Mine's not
oh,
still an army maker. I thought about hot milk, but the raisins wouldn't fit in. Okay, the raisins is wrong, or the same thing. Raisin was really big.
what's this? What's this? Yeah. Eggs, lots. Hey, Jake, I got 2 funny ones. I got one.
Another one? I pulled one out already.
Oh, ah.
See the bush?
That hole that's over the heck there being out of rose bush. My rosemary has roses.
They didn't water this yard. They planted plants on the wall.
Got lots.
Jordan apparently doesn't want to dig in my roses up anymore, so he's going to put the sprinklers up.
Woo.
Yeah.
Woohoo. But my dice getting full.
You guys aren't done yet. Let's go. Faster.
Come on, guys.
I counted 5 eggs walking all the way over here. I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 6 eggs over here. 7. 3 buns and 7 eggs. Guys, you're missing the fence.
What?
Look to the sky. That works too. Guys, go from here over.
Look up.
Look up.
Ah, ha, ha.
Look up.
Where? Ah!
And then look down. Oh! It went on the other side.
Gotcha. Get it?
I'll get it later. Yeah, so that gate's locked.
Ha ha. You go get it?
Look up high.
Don't leave that spot. Go back over that egg.
Look up.
Ah.
Look up towards the window.
I like the sound effects. Check out the trees.
Completely missed one in front of the window.
Gotcha.
My ADD.
Look on the windows.
I got trapped open.
Those windows still, Bubba.
Are you sure, Dad?
Look at the windows.
You can't reach with the poke.
Well, then you can't have it.
You can climb back there. Be brave.
No, it's mine.
Whoever gets you first.
Weston, there's still more eggs.
Check out the trees.
Oh.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
You go keep looking. I'll try and get it. Go keep looking. I'll try and get it. Whatever it was.
It's alright, Jake.
Mom, can you help me get
Jacob.
it?
Jacob.
No more this way.
Jacob, look over here.
I don't even know what it was.
Look down below.
Oh, you did.
There's more eggs. Go.
Woohoo!
There's still more eggs. Go.
Gotcha.
There you go. Next time you clean house.
Fence line, guys. Come on.
Go out there.
All right.
start looking when you guys hit eggs.
Come here, Winston.
What?
Look up.
Good, yeah.
Up, jump.
Good.
Did you guys get them all?
I think.
Remember, someone knocked one over the fence. Supposedly, you gotta go around and get it.
What?
What? Huh? What? Did we get them all?
You got that.
Man, you guys got a ton of eggs.
Oh, maybe.
I haven't seen any more that I hid.
Oh,
I think you guys got them all. Neither one of them remember it's knocked over there. I asked them, and what? Huh?
Jacob's one knocked over.